video, we will walk through Teams. I'll show you how it works as well as how you can begin setting your team up. Teams in Travefy were designed to help support teams that work together and want to collaborate even further within Travefy. To get started, select your name up at the top right and select Account. From here, select the Team tab, and you'll notice you'll be able to see all of your different team members. As the administrator of this account, I will have the option to add or remove team members at any time. To add a team member, I would need to put in their name as well as their email before selecting the Add option. If I need to remove any team members, I can do so by selecting Remove by their name. You'll notice that I have 0 seats remaining, so in order to purchase more, all I need to do is select Buy More. These are discounted at 29% off the annual, quarterly, and monthly rate. If you're looking to create a team of 25 or more individuals, make sure to reach out to our sales team at professional@travefy.com. Once you've added the team members that you would like, you'll notice that each team member has a different role that you can assign at any time as the admin. A team member will be a standard account on Travefy that can create, edit, and share their itineraries or content. A team organizer will have the ability to reassign the owner of itineraries to allow the passing or collaboration of the itinerary to other team members. Organizers are also going to be able to edit the website in the website builder. If you want multiple team organizers, you can do that as well. All you have to do is select the drop-down menu and select Organizer. As the team admin, you are the administrator of the team and you'll control all of the billing details, have the option to add and remove team members at your liking, and you'll also be able to purchase team seats at any time. Additionally, you'll be able to manage the account's website builder and reassign the owner of the itineraries as well. There can only be one team admin per account. You'll notice up at the top, if you would like to give specific permission to a certain role to edit any trip, you can do so by selecting the drop-down arrow at any time as the team admin and selecting who you would like to edit any trip. If you would like everyone, you can select any team member. If you want only yourself and organizers, you can select that option as well. Or if you want to be the only one who has this permission, select the team admin. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we can reassign the ownership of trips. By selecting the Trips button and clicking into a trip, you'll notice up at the right-hand side a drop-down arrow with your name. If you want to reassign the owner, you can click that drop-down arrow, and you can assign whoever on your team you would like to own this trip. By selecting Emily Smith, you'll notice that her information is now at the top versus mine. By clicking back out of here, I can also sort through all of my team members' trips by selecting the owner label, and I can select who I would like to see. If I select Emily Smith, you can now see that trip that we reassigned to her show up. By clicking out of here, we now see everyone's trips who is on this team. If you would like to create tasks for team members, you can select the task and automations within a trip, select the Add option, and by selecting Task, you'll see where you can assign the owner of this task. If you would like to create a general task reminder for them, not associated with any trip or contact, you can select the clipboard icon up at the top right, type to add a task, open the details, and you can assign the owner from within here as well. But that's it. That is how you can create a team within Travefy and collaborate even further with your team members. If you have any questions, again, make sure to reach out to our team at professional@travefy.com. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started videos.